Here's how to use two Roblox accounts at the same time on your mobile device. First, open the Roblox application and log into your primary account. Then tap on the More icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll all the way down, and there you'll get the option of Log Out. This lets you use two accounts, but not at the same time within the app. Alternatively, you also have the quick sign in option if you want to go ahead and switch your account to another account by quickly signing in. Or there is also the option of switch account, which lets you directly switch to another account without logging in. So alternatively, go ahead and open your web browser on your phone. Then after search for roblox.com, this will take you to its official website where you need to go ahead and log into your account. Select the game that you want to play. And if your phone has a dual app feature, you can use it to run two instances of the Roblox, each logged in to a different account, and play two different accounts at the same time. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.